Hello dear children, welcome back to our 3rd standard computer science 7th class. Today we will learn about chapter 2, Getting Around in Windows 10. Chapter name is Getting Around in Windows 10. These are the topics we'll cover on the chapters: features of Windows 10, the process of booting up, how the desktop screen Windows 10 looks like, then control panel and edge browser, and know about wallpapers and themes and how to set them. Okay, there are different two versions of Windows like Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7 and Windows 8, Windows 10. There are types of views of Windows for form different features and different things. Different features and different things. Today I explain you about Windows 10. Computer. Computer is a machine. Computer is a machine made about different parts and perform different kinds of things. Now let's talk about the introduction. Windows 10 is made in USA by Microsoft Corporation. Windows 10 is the latest operating system released by the Microsoft, released on July 29, 2015. It has already become the most widely used by Windows operating system. Microsoft aimed to have Windows 10 run on billion devices worldwide. See Windows 10. Programs are arranged in different files and folders. These programs are arranged in different files and folders. This Windows 10, it is very easy to use. It has icons which help in doing different things quickly. Now children, what is the meaning of icon? When we start computer, there are some small picture which are present in the desktop. Which are present in the desktop. Okay. Windows 10 is the most attractive looking operating system by Microsoft. Windows 10 can be installed on desktop, smartphones, touch sensitive tablets and laptops. You already know Windows 10 is the latest operating system. Okay. What is an operating system? Operating system is the system. Operating system is the system software that helps you to interact with the computer hardware. Interact with the computer hardware is known as operating system. Unique features present in Windows 10 different from most recent versions of Windows are: first, presence of start menu. See page number 13. Presence of start menu, Cortana. Take page number 14. Task view, Windows App Store, Power User Mode. Presence of start menu, Cortana, task view, Windows App Store, Power User Mode. Let us see that start menu. When you log in or when you start your PC on, you come to the desktop screen. That is start menu. The start menu appears on clicking on the start button. Then Cortana. There is a new AI. AI stands for Artificial Intelligence. paged tool using which an item from the computer can be searched. You can give Cortana voice based commands also. Okay. Now task view. See the picture, that is task view icon. The task view icon is a task. The task view is a task. Switcher and virtual desktop system introduced in Windows 10. Task view using which you can work on multiple desktops at a time. Then Windows App Store, that is used for which new application can be installed after accessing from the store. Then power user mode. A power user is a user of computers, software and other electronic devices. A power user is a user of computer software and other electronic devices. The shortcut key for Windows key plus alphabet capital X. The shortcut key for power user mode for Windows key plus capital X. Now take page number 14. The topic is booting up. Booting means on turning on the computer, the operating system gets loaded in the memory of computer. It's known as booting. The boot up process to view the desktop only a few steps. First step is press the main power button. Second step, press the button on the UPS. Press on the power up button of system cabinet. Then greeted with the wallpaper on the screen, click with the mouse anywhere. For the user, enter the password and press enter button. Now children, see the picture. This is a desktop screen. The first screen will appear after logging into the computer. Is known as desktop. It is a working area of the computer and contains icons which represent various files and folders. Some elements of the desktop icons. See the picture. Icons, then taskbar, then background, that is desktop, then start buttons and wallpaper. Next, start button. See the picture, that is Windows 10 start button. Let us see that start button. The left hand side corner, that is nothing but as start menu. You can use your mouse to click on this place and we can see that start menu. You can use your mouse to click on this place. We can see that start menu. Now this is the left hand side. If you see all the application which already installed and those you can access in the alphabetical order. This is on the left hand side. If you see all the application which already installed and those you can access in the alphabetical order. Start button allows views that are the application, games, folders, reboot, shutdown and sleep. The next topic is Cortana. This is screen for Cortana. Cortana, the right of the start button lies the AI. AI stands for Artificial Intelligence. Pot or tool which can search for anything that is typed in or can take voice commands. It can even take input like, for example, what's the time now? To learn it may use the internet. Now take page number 16. The topic is quick launch bar. Right click an empty area of the taskbar, point to toolbars and then click new toolbar. Now you see quick launch bar, which can be launched by a single click on the icons. That is quick launch bar. Next, notification area. Children, this is the rightmost area of the taskbar. It can also be used to display icons for system and programs, features that have no presence on the desktop. In this area, clock, calendar, then speakers, then etc. In this area, the notification area is clock, calendar, then speakers. Children, next, Windows work with files and folders. Windows 10 work with files and folders. File means that is file and folder icon. File means a file is the common storage unit in a computer, and all programs and data are written into a file. Read from a file. File means a file is the common storage unit in a computer, and all programs and data are written into a file. Read from a file. Okay. Then folder. Folder means a folder holds one or more files, and a folder can be empty until is filled. Some content is visible. The paper folder shown that picture. Okay children, have you understood? Okay, remain the next topic. We will see the next class. Okay, thank you children.